These profiteroles slash cream puffs taste great actually. Stuffed with the delicious chocolate pastry cream and with the right amount of egg taste. I love it, and I'm sure that you will love it too. Hey guys, are you okay? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessie, your nurse, slash aspiring baker, slash traveler, slash friend. And today guys, I'll be teaching you how to make profiteroles slash cream puffs, as what we famously call it in the Philippines. One of the delicious pastries that we tried in Venice, Italy. Actually, profiteroles and cream puffs have the same recipe. It's just that profiteroles can be stuffed with ice cream and then frozen. You can stuff it with pastry cream, chocolate or vanilla pastry cream, whipped cream, and also ice cream. Okay, so are you ready to make your own profiteroles slash cream puffs? Let's go! First step is to preheat your oven at 200 degrees Celsius. And then in a saucepan, mix water, milk, and also butter. Let the butter dissolve, and then add sugar and salt. You will let it boil, and once it started boiling, remove from the heat, then you will add your flour. Stir it until the flour is completely incorporated. Once there's no more trace of flour, put back your saucepan to the stove and stir continuously and vigorously, and you will notice that your dough becomes smooth and forms like a ball. Then after that, you will transfer your dough into the bowl of your stand mixer, and using a paddle attachment, mix your dough and let it cool for a few minutes. And then add your eggs one at a time. Scrape down your dough and mix until the egg is fully combined. If you haven't reached the desired consistency, add another egg and save a tablespoon of beaten egg for the egg wash. Once eggs are fully incorporated, the dough should be thick and smooth and runny. Transfer your dough into a piping bag fitted with a 1/2 inch piping tip. Then pipe small mounds with about 2 inches apart on your baking tray with the parchment paper. Smoothen the tip of your pastry with your finger, moisten with water, and then brush with egg wash. An alternative way is by using a spoon or an ice cream scooper, just like this. And then now you'll bake your pastry for 10 minutes and reduce the temperature to 160 degrees Celsius and continue baking for another 30 to 40 minutes until golden brown. Remove each pastry from your baking pan and transfer to a cooling rack. When you cut your pastry, you will notice that it's hollow inside. Then let your pastry to cool completely, and now it's time to prepare your filling. So in a saucepan, you will boil milk and vanilla. In a mixing bowl, you'll combine egg yolks and sifted sugar, cocoa powder, and corn flour. Mix until completely combined, resulting to a smooth and thick mixture. Once it started boiling, remove your pan from the heat. While stirring your mixture, gradually add hot milk until fully incorporated. And then you will transfer your mixture into the saucepan, continue stirring, and let it boil. And then add the chocolate chips. Your filling should be thick in consistency. Remove from the stove and then add the butter. Transfer your chocolate filling into a bowl and cover with a plastic wrap, making sure that the plastic touches the surface to prevent your filling from forming a skin on top. Let it cool and chill inside the fridge.
A few moments later.
Poke a hole using a pointed knife wherein you will insert a narrow piping tip to fill your pastries. Or another way of applying the filling is by just cutting your pastry horizontally. After chilling your chocolate pastry filling, you can now fill your profiteroles / cream puff. And then, drop a tablespoon of your chocolate ganache on top of your pastry and let it drip. You may skip this part and you can just dust your pastries with a powdered sugar, or you can do both. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell. Thank you for watching and see you on my next videos.